Hello there and welcome to a brand new video. This is Hub Beyond Numbers and we are looking at question 3AI of BECE 2023. Now question 3AI says express 8 times 32 times 4 times 2 in the form 2 raised to the power m. And then using our answer in AI, we have to state the value of m. After solving this question, I do hope that you'll be able to also solve the questions you see on your right hand here. So the question we have here, it's in relation to what? Indices. Yeah, indices. So we have or exponential equations. But since there's not an equation, it's actually exponential expressions. So you have 8 times 32 times 4 and then times your 2. Now what you want to do is you want to express each and every one of them as a power of 2. You see? And how do we do that? We have 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. I think this here will be fine. If 2 multiplies itself twice, what does it give us? So if 2 multiplies itself twice, it gives us 4. And how do you write 2 multiplying itself twice? That is 2 multiplying itself twice. You see? So this 4 here, we would rewrite the 4 as 2 raised to the power 2. Because it is 2 multiplying itself twice, that will give us the 4. You see? So I write 2 raised to the power 2. Now, what if 2 multiplies itself thrice? That is 2 times 2 times 2. So if 2 multiplies itself 3 times, we get 2 raised to the power 3. And 2 times 2 times 2 is what? 8. So instead of this 8 here, we are going to rewrite it as what? 2 raised to the power 3. So you see how we write index notations? Exactly. Now, what if 2 multiplies itself 4 times? So 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, that is 2 times 2, 4. 4 times 2, 8. 8 times 2, 16. That is 4 times. If you add one last time, that is 16 times 2. We have 32. And that here is 2 raised to the power what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You see? So we don't forget our multiplication signs over here. Now, does 2 have to multiply itself a number of times to give us 2? No. So just 1 of 2 gives us 2. So we say 2 raised to the power 1 is still 2. Or in other words, you can say any number raised to the power itself gives you that same number. Hence, we have 2 raised to the power 3, which is 8, times 2 raised to the power 5, which is 32, times 2 raised to the power 2, which is 4, then times 2 raised to the power 1, which is 2. In solving index notation, there is a general rule which we call the product rule. That says if you have a to the power m times a to the power n, that is if the bases are the same, you see, all you need to do is write one of the base and then add. So that it becomes what? A to the power m plus n, you see. So that is the same thing we are going to apply here. We only apply that rule if the bases are the same. So this is 2, this is 2, this is 2, this is 2. The bases are the same. So you can write just one of the base and then add all the powers here. So that is 3 plus 5 plus 2 plus 1. Do not multiply. The rule what that says, you should do what? You should add them. So 3 plus 5 gives us an 8. 8 plus 2 gives us a 10. Then plus 1, we have 11. Evaluating this, we have 2 to the power 11. And that ends the solution for I. Now, I says all we need to do is to state the value of m. So if you are to compare what we have written, we wrote 2 to the power 11. And if we are to compare it to what? 2 to the power m. Then we can just say the m is actually the 11. You see? So we just say that the value of m is equal to what? 11. As simple as that, and you are done with question 3A. Now, if you have understood this, then I do hope you'll be able to go through this and then answer them. Just 3 questions. Set. And if there's anything you don't understand, you can always come back to make reference to it. This is how Beyond Numbers, where we learn maths the easy way. If this is your first time You can always choose to subscribe so that you receive notifications anytime I release a video. Stay safe and see you in our next video where we look at question 3B of BECE 2023. Bye for now.